We were just all the way down there. Here's the second part to the video I just stopped. I wanted to show you guys how it gets to all the pretty colors. I thought I was recording, but into the video I noticed that I didn't hit record, so here we are. Wait till we get over here and you start seeing all these beautiful vibrant colors. Wow. Let me zoom in on these vines for you guys. Very beautiful. But like I always gotta say, it's beautiful, but not as beautiful as my wife. This tree is really cool. But like I said, I wanted to show you guys the vibrant colors over here. Then it switches into these trees. These trees are really cool looking. This tree is really pretty. Sorry if I started walking fast and my camera kind of got crazy. I got prison-based PTSD. It's been a long time since I've been locked up, but that shit still follows you, man. People walking behind me, I do not like it, so I kind of had to speed up to get out of there. But that's it for this video. I am back to my car. This is where I'll cut off at. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you guys like this video and want more videos like this one, please let me know. I hope you guys like my journey. It was a little one today, but I'm trying to post videos every day.